te voy a negar. Estamos claros y ya.
Hi my beautettes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to jump right in. You know my beautettes, I love to use this concealer. So I'm just going to go in and use this as a base on my eyelid. Now I have one eye partially done and I will finish it a little bit when I'm off. I just wanted to come and get this eye out the way. Now this is the first look of my series. This is going to be an event makeup series. Whether it's a wedding, this can be for wedding, this can be for prom, this can be for that sweet 16 you're going to. Whatever event you have, this is going to be a nice glam look going into my event series, because this is the month of June. There's a lot of things, there's a lot of events flowing, whether it's wedding, whether it's graduation, whether it's prom, whether it's, you know, whatever the case may be. So I'm sorry for the noise in the background. Sorry, you know, NYC living, sorry about that. Sorry for any noise actually. So yeah, we're just gonna go in. I'm using the Daisy Marquez palette, besides using this Morphe blending brush. I already had applied on my eyelid, like, well, crease. I applied Naked, the color Naked, and I absolutely love that shade because it's very natural and it starts up your colors. Now I'm going in with this shade, and I will actually link everything down below, everything that I used or the shades that I used. I'm sorry if I don't remember off the hand, but I'm just doing a voiceover because I didn't have time to talk in my videos, which I'll save that for actual chit chat videos. You beautettes know I love to hop in, get in, and let you beautettes know about the product, the formula, the palette, the look. But this is going to be the look in my event series. So yeah, we're using the Daisy Marquez palette. All the shadows are from her palette, and I'm just going to keep blending because the key thing is to blend, my friend. And that's what you'll be seeing me doing here, adding on the same color, because when you blend, it kind of smooths out your eye look and also takes out some. So you just kind of have to play a game of like coming and going, and then seeing how far you want it to look. You know, everyone eye shape is different, everyone has a different preference, so please, you know, try to keep opinions to yourself, because actually everyone has their own look and you can never judge anyone upon their style, their look, you know what I mean? So this is just how I would do it if I was going to a nice event, or like very more dramatic, on the more the dramatic side. At least this is more like a dramatic look. Yeah, I'm sorry beautettes, I just be dancing in my videos. I was hearing some good music, and yeah, we're just gonna have to jump right in back into this look. So now I'm going to take this Essence blending brush, and it doesn't have anything on it besides the neutral color that I used, which was Naked from Daisy's palette. So I'm just going to clean up my look with that. I'm sorry if, you know, sometimes you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm letting you know that I'm just sweeping away the look. I am blending it, I'm cleaning it up, and I'm making sure that everything is well put together as far as the colors I like. Now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. crease brush, but I'm going to use it for the end of my eye. You want to take the end point of your eye and just blend out and shade out that black. I'm going to add a little bit more, then blend it out, a little bit more, blend it out, which you kind of want to be careful because it could reach higher and higher. And with black, it's very tricky, as we all know, and I was not trying to look like a raccoon, so I definitely had to keep it light on that side, which is why I went with this small brush. It's a small crease brush, but it was enough to blend out the eye corner into the middle. And yeah, basically I just keep blending all my colors and sweeping away any extra eyeshadow that doesn't need to be on there, and reshaping it, and just making sure all the colors and contrast are together. I'm sorry guys, sorry beautettes, I'm just like so into the music and dancing and everything. But yeah, back into the video canvas, back into the video. So I'm going to use this to cut my crease. Once again, my favorite pro concealer. And I'm going to use this flat brush, making it more flatter. And I'm going to even out when I apply right now, because usually I just do it with the same tube, with the same concealer. But right now I'm using a brush and I'm evening it out. Then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild beautiful light shade of like Glimmer. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, this shimmer is so pretty and I absolutely love it. And I'm just going to use this as a base to first start up. Then I'm going to apply this LA Color Shimmer stick. I like the way the applicator looks. This is how it looks. And I actually got this for $1 and it's very glistening. I bought it because it was very sparkly and it keeps it very intense. So I'm putting a lot of wet bases and cream bases before. Well, not a lot, but you know what I mean. Like I just put 2 of them. So we will use this. I think we're just gonna use this for right now because it has a lot of shimmer in it. A lot. So we're just gonna basically right now, I'm just trying to air it out because if not, everything will rise up, which kind of ended up happening and I had to go back in and clean it. Ugh, a mess, I know. So I'm just fanning out everything right now because it needs to be aired out. It needs to be dry. Yeah. Yes, I had to take some coffee because assist needs to be up. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend everything in together. Adding more black, shading out the black, shading in the black after I add my eyelid color, just so it could blend smoothly in with the light shades and everything can have like a beautiful dimension, because I wanted to keep this like a low-key dramatic look, but like not too dramatic, but a little dramatic, you know, because sometimes, most of the times, we always go out, we just have our lipstick, our little shine in our face, and which is pretty fine. You know, you can have your skincare on and just add some moisturizer, a glow stick, and keep it moving. But this is an event makeup look, ladies, event. So keep in mind, we want our makeup to last, so you kind of will have to go that extra mile to adding all your beautiful products and whatever you like. Now, what I use in my video, this is what I used in my video for this look. You could use any color you like, obviously, any tools you have, any other cream eyeliner, wet eyeliner, whatever the case may be, you can do you on your end. And I'm just showing you how I love this look on my end for an event. And I'm gonna go in with this NYC liquid eyeliner. It's a pencil felt tip eyeliner, which I needed for this look. I wish I didn't have to go that far, but I'll just have to make it work on this end. And just making sure on each eye that I get it very nice and black, and using the felt tip. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna use these lashes. I use the Ienvy Kiss lashes. I love Kiss lashes. They are the bomb.com. And I'm going in with my mascara. The mascara I use was from Bhcosmetics. I believe it was badgal. But like I said, I will leave all the products that I use for this eye look in the description down below, if you really want to know what I used, and maybe you want to use some or use the same thing. Whatever floats your boat, beauties, you can do it. So here I'm just sorry, I'm moving around in my chair. We're just applying mascara on both of the eyes, and now we are done, my beautettes. Thank you so much for watching this beautiful event makeup look. I added this headpiece because, like I said, this could be for wedding, for prom, for anything that you know you would like to wear a headpiece for as well. And just put some shimmer and a quick smoky eye, and voila. So please comment down below. Let me know if you are feeling this look. Leave down any suggestions. I love you, beautettes, and I definitely cannot wait to see you. I appreciate everything, all the love, and I just want to say thank you so much. Please don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you can always stay on top of my videos, whether it's IG or YouTube. I love you, beautettes, and you know I definitely cannot wait to come on with my part 2 for this event series. Let me know if you're feeling this event look. And I will see you, beautettes, on the other video. I love you. Bye.
Sabes de mí y no te puedo mentir. Lo que dicen en la calle sobre mí y no te voy a negar.